living collab, aren't we, Bailey? Today I painted a watering can with purple coneflowers, and Bailey took a nap. Our host of the Outdoor Living Collab is Shabby Meets Bling, and Jody from Southern Seasons, and Monica from Up All Night DIY. And I think I kept him up all night painting this thing because he's still yawning. Please check out their channels in the description box, and please check out the playlist for other outdoor living ideas, which I don't do much outdoor projects, so I definitely need to check this one out. Okay, we are going to do a watering can, and we're going to kind of distress it up a little bit. We don't have to worry about the paint because we're not actually watering plants from this. We are going to paint it, and we're going to either use it as a flower pot, or I'll add lights to it and do it as a solar light, like water's coming out of it for my garden. I'm going to just paint the whole thing, and of course it's got a nice dent in it, like, you know, we want it a little bit rustic. Just paint the whole thing black. Just paint this with some blue. I don't want to cover all the black. I just kind of want to make it look old. then just put on as much or as little as you. So we're going to start by doing our cone, or a few of them. Then I'll do one over here. That one's going to be a little bigger because it's more to the front. This one over here, it will be a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to do one like right here. Now, you know what they say on TikTok? This is 4 coats later. Yes, it's taken me 4 coats to get my petals where I want them to be. And and a change of paint color. I went from pink parfait I went from fuchsia to pink parfait because the fuchsia was just too watery. Now I'm going to add some dots. going to start out with brown. And that'll clean up the edges where your petals began. Remember, it's just layering on the paint. Going to use a paintbrush that I got at Temu, and this paintbrush is actually to use on your fingernails, but I thought it would be perfect to make blades of grass. And stems on flowers. So that's what we're doing today, is using this to make stems on our flowers. And I'm gonna have to go back over that probably a million times because I don't like this kind of paint. It is too watery. Getting our little tool out, I get these at the Dollar Tree, and they're perfect for making dots. We're gonna add some dots to our flower. Okay, here is our watering can. What am I going to do with this in the outdoors? I'm either going to add a plant to this for in the middle of my table on my patio, or I'm going to drill holes through the end and add fairy lights and hang this on a shepherd's hook over one of my planters to make it look like water coming out. But first, I'm going to spray it with Krylon sealing, a clear sealant, so my paint doesn't come off in the rain.